Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you from the broadcast booth above the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And I don't know if you can tell, I'm in a pretty good mood because I just realized the following. It's Friday. We're a couple hours until the end of the trading session. A new weekend awaits for myself. I can't wait to go surfing, but before I can do that, I got to get through this report because it's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. You know what time it is. It's happy hour in the Big Apple. It's been a busy trading week here on Wall Street, the first full trading week for the month of June 2019. A series of roller coaster trading sessions that, for the most part, ended on the high note. Now, it's been all about politics this week, as well as the Federal Reserve, namely U.S.-China trade tensions and Fed rate speculation courtesy of those exact tensions. Now, first this week, it did start off with Chinese officials refusing to respond to what it called U.S. pressures to force a trade deal. But that was almost all forgotten the very next day, courtesy of the Fed, because Fed Chairman Jerome Powell signaled the central bank was open to easing monetary policy to help assist the economy. Powell said the central bank will act as appropriate to sustain the expansion. Now, these bullish statements helped spark a massive rally midweek, one that continues today, and then there was the monthly jobs report. The U.S. economy added 75,000 jobs in May, but that marked the second straight month of jobs growth below 100,000, and that was well below expectations calling for an increase of 180,000. Now, usually a weak jobs report like that sends stocks on the downside, but that's not the case this week. Stocks continuing to soar, rising more than 300 points intraday on Friday as investors agreed the poor jobs numbers increased the odds of easier monetary policy from, yes, the Federal Reserve. So an early sell-off turned into a massive midweek surge, and that's where we are right now. Well, on the upside, let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out the final trading session of a wild week. And with that stated, kick back, relax. I'll see you guys all on Monday morning. And a quick breakdown. It is Friday, a sports breakdown this weekend. We still have more NHL playoffs going on. I think the Blues are up. The NBA playoffs are going on. I think the Raptors are up. And for all of us in New York, besides the Mets and Yankees, both not doing so well, I think, we have Belmont. And I'll be there, and nobody cares because there's no Triple Crown horse. But if you're there, stop by. You'll see me waving with a drink in my hand. Until Monday, for Modern Wall Street, and I'll see you then. I'm James Sweeney.